सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ विवेक चूडामणि पेज नंबर 22 verse number 59, sorry, page number 21, 59th shloka. अविज्ञाते परे तत्त्वे शास्त्राधीतिस्तु निष्फला। विज्ञाते परे तत्त्वे विज्ञातेऽपि परे तत्त्वे विज्ञातेऽपि परे तत्त्वे शास्त्राधीतिस्तु निष्फला। शब्दजालं महारण्यम् चित्तभ्रमणकारणम् अतः प्रयत्नात् ज्ञातव्यम् तत्त्वज्ञैस्तत्त्वमात्मनः। शंकराचार्य talking about the importance of Atma Jnanam, the importance of self-knowledge. Avijñāte pare tattve. If I do not know that para tattva means supreme self, there is no use of shastra. Shastra nishphala bhavati. A person who do not know the Brahman as his real nature or her real nature, that shastra is useless. Because shastra is a means to get that jnanam, the sadhyam, that I am Brahman is the goal. Once that goal, the purpose, if I have not attained, what is the use of studying shastra? Nishphala bhavati. And Shankaracharya tells another point, once you attain that Brahman, if you get jnanam, the purpose is served, then also the shastra nishphala bhavati. That is negative way presentation, first one. This is positive way presentation. Once you have attained that Atma Jnanam through shastra, adikappuram there is no need of shastra. Shastra will not give no more prayojanam to you, because you have got that prayojanam, phalam. So therefore for that person also shastra is nishphalam. For both of them it is nishphalam. The person who has not understood, for that person also shastra is useless. For person who understands that he is Brahman or she is Brahman, for that person also shastra is useless. No more study. Next sloka Shankaracharya tells The Shastra is like a Maha Aranyam, it is the ocean. Aranyam and ocean, they are all vast in nature, very vast. Ananta Shastram ani solluvom. Ananta Shastram means endless in artham. Yasya antaha na vidyate, that is called Ananta. Shastram is endless. Ananta Shastram Bahuvedi-tavyam. Kathika vendidi nariye irukku. Bahuvedi-tavyam. Alpascha kalaha. The time is very short. Yeah, very short. No? Even if you start at the age of 12 years also, it is not sufficient. What to talk if you start at the 50th year, 60th year? Mostly the middle age, 30-25 group, if they come also, they are not regular. First thing, because of responsibilities. So those who are regular are almost retired. Because they don't have responsibilities, but they come. So that is what is the rest of the time, half of the time only, lifespan. Because half of the lifespan is over. Alpascha kalaha. Adikulla bhavascha vignaha. There are so many obstacles not allowing us to study Shastra. Bhavascha vignaha. Therefore, Maha Aranyam is Shabda Jalam. Jalam means what? Like a magic madre. Jalam is a net. Once you spread the net, it binds the person. That is called Jalam. A Jalam is a net, just as the fisherman binds that fish in that net. Similarly, this Shabdam Jalam is also binds the person. That is the Jalam and pair. Another beauty is that Shabdam alone gives Mahavakya, gives moksha. So we have to understand very carefully. Use it how much it requires. If you go deep more than that, Jalam, it is big Jalam. Another intellectual trip. You waste your time and you will forget the Tatparya. The essence is what purpose I am studying Shastra, we will forget. Many people are forgetting. There are people enter into Shastra, studying, and why I am studying another, they will forget. So Shabda Jalam, Maharanyam, not only that, Chitta Brahmana Karanam. Brahma means confusion, delusion. Chitta means mind. This Shabda Jalam is capable of confusing your mind. Karanam Bhavati means it becomes the cause for the delusion of your mind. If you do not have a proper guru. There is a joke. One teacher asked the student, what is the difference between Yadartham and Brahman? Yadartham is real. Brahman is unreal. The teacher asked the student, what is the difference between unreal and real? Yadartham means real. Yadartham and Brahma. The student tells, oh teacher, you are teaching in the class is Yadartham. You are teaching in the class is Yadartham, real. But you are thinking that I am understanding is Brahma. That you are thinking I am listening is unreal. The your teaching is real, but I am listening is unreal. That is the difference between Yadartham and Brahman. You are all listening, I just joke I am telling. So Chitta Brahmana Karanam. Brahma, it confused the person. Ataha, therefore, since this Shastra, which is a means, a sadhanam to get moksha, the same Shastra is an obstacle if I do not know how to handle that Shastra. That's why Guru is important. Ataha, therefore, Prayatnat, with full effort. Prayatnat, with full effort. Jnatavyam, one should know. Jnatavyam, one should know. What? Atmanaha tattvam, the nature of Atma. Atmanaha means nature, self, one's own nature. Tattvam means Atma Swarupam. Atmanaha tattvam means one's own real nature. Atmanaha means one's own. Tattvam means real nature. One's own real nature is called Atmanaha tattvam. And what Shankaracharya says, how you should know that Atmanaha tattvam? Tattvajnaihi. Tattvajnaihi means through Srotriya Brahmanishtha Guru. Tattvajnaihi means the people who have already understood, who has got already this jnana. Atmanaha tattvam yaha janati, already, who knows, who has studied from a guru and understood. That is called tattvajnaihi, by the wise people, from the wise people. You have to jnatavyam, you should know. Appa enna artham? Don't read yourself, don't do self-study. Until I get that jnanam, I have to approach a guru. Next, up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 61. Ajnana sarpadashtasya Brahma jnanaushadham vinam Kimu vedaischa shastraischa Kimu mantrai kimaushadhaihi. Beautiful sloka. These are all very, very beautiful slokas with good examples. Shankaracharya writes. Sarpadashtasya means a person who is bitten by the snake. Sarpa means a snake. Dashta means what? Bitten by. Paambu kaat edu solluvom, paambu kaatnu solluvom, Telugula paambu kaatnu solluvom, Tamil enna solluvom? Paambu pidikal. So dashta means adu artham. So sarpa dashta, what this is comparing? Ajnana sarpa dashta. Ajnana means ajnana is compared to a Ajnana sarpa dashtasya. Here the sarpa, the snake, is compared to the ajnanam. Ajnana and snake are synonyms here. Symbolically is comparing. Ajnana sarpa means snake of ignorance. Biting indicates affliction. Just as the snake bite afflicts the person, similarly this ajnana, ignorance, also afflicts the person. Once the snake bites the person, lot of changes comes in the body. We know that. Similarly, this ignorance, it afflicts. What are the changes comes in this person? I am limited. I don't know this. I have all these limitations. Kurai, ellame kurai da. எனக்கு அது இல்லையே, இது இல்லையே, அது இல்லையே, இது இல்லையே, ஏதோ ஒரு குறை. இந்த மாதிரி afflictions, insecurity, always or fear, பயம், என்னாகுமோ, நாளைக்கு என்னாகுமோ, ஒரே constant potential fear. What is going to happen my children? They do not know anything. Parents always think like that only. எனக்கு குழந்தைக்கு இன்னும் தெரியாது, சின்ன குழந்தை மாதிரி தான், 40 வருஷம் வந்தாச்சு குழந்தைக்கு. These are all mental agonies. Even this person already 65, 70, in the thinks that 40 years son as a child. It is a reflection. This is also gives one type of agony in the mind about this body. Who is going to take care of me in my old age? Second son, third son, or first son? ஒரே சன்ன இருந்தால் அவன் எங்கே அப்ராட் போகிறானோ, நான் என்னுடைய கதி என்ன, ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ திஸ் ஆர் ஆல் எஃப்ளிக்ஷன்ஸ். சம்சார சர்ப்பதஷ்டஸ்யன. இப்போ சர்ப்பதஷ்டம்னா, இஃப் த ஸ்னேக் பைட்ஸ் த பர்சன் யூ ஹாவ் டு கிவ் ஆன்டிவினம், த பாய்சன். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு கிவ் ஆன்டிவினம். தட் இஸ் த ஓன்லி மெடிசின் ஃபார் தட். இம்மீடியட்லி வெயிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. So therefore the antivenom is the only solution. Similarly, this for ignorance, what is medicine? Brahma jnanam only is the medicine. Antivenom is Brahma jnanam. For ajnanathike, the poisonous ajnana can be removed by Brahma jnana antivenom. Samsara poison entered into me when theriyadu. By birth itself it has started. Therefore Brahma jnana antivenom has to be injected. Who will inject? The Guru will inject. Guru will inject that Shastra, then the medicine goes and works in the mind, intellect. The antivenom Shastra Mahavakya works and gives Brahma jnanam. So therefore Brahma jnanam has to be injected. Brahma jnana aushadham. Aushadham. Vina, without Brahma jnanam, aushadham, how can this ajnana can be removed? Only Brahma jnanam can remove that. Shankaracharya comparing this samsara problem with a snake bite. பாருங்க, இன்னும் எவ்வளவு டேஞ்சரஸ்னு அர்த்தம். Why Shankaracharya took this example? That much poisonous and புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக. கிமு வேதைஷ்ட சாஸ்திரைஷ்ட. This வேத பఠனம், இந்த ருக்வேதா, யஜுர்வேதா, சாமவேதா அழகா பாராயணம் பண்ணி Ghanapati, all Panditas, great Panditas, go on chanting Veda mantras, Rigvedadi, Pathanam, and Shastraischa. Other Shastras are there. Vyakaranam, Mimamsa, Jyotisham, Kalpam, all these Siksha is Vyakaranam and our Shastram. Vyakarana Shastram, Mimamsa Shastram, Tarka Shastram. In the Shastram, is it useful? No. This Brahma jnana aushadham vina, this just chanting the Vedas, knowing the Vedas and knowing their shakhas, branches and their ancillaries, no, this Vyakaranam, Mimamsa, Shastram, without Brahma jnanam they don't help us. Not only that, kimu mantraihi, kimu aushadhaihi. Kimu mantraihi, other mantras. A person want to come out of samsara. The பாம்பு காட்டுக்கு அப்புறம், the snake bite அப்புறம் உட்கார்ந்து நான் மந்திரம் படிக்கிறேன். If you chant mantra Om Namo Narayanaaya, the poison will not go. By mantra it will not go. Similarly, even this ajnanam also, by chanting only mantra japa, daily I am doing 108 Gayatri mantra. எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? ஒன்றும் அவசியம் இல்லை. குரு வேண்டாம், ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம். Gayatri Mata will take care of me. Gayatri Matra will refine your mind, but Gayatri Mata cannot remove your ajnanam. Understand? Any mantra, if you take from a guru, mantra diksha gurus are there, they may give diksha to you, and the mantra japam panna, in the ajnanam povuma, the ajnana caused insecurity povuma, pohade. The ajnana is because of your own wrong notions. Therefore it can be removed only by right notions, not mantra. Never take that. Similarly, kim aushadaihi. This samsara problem, ajnana, cannot be removed by any aushadha. Sanjeevini aushadam. If I drink Sanjeevini aushadam, no, people want, some people are there, they go on drinking herbal. No? I can live 200 years without old age, without death. No? That is unintelligent method. Understand, this body is to decay one day or other. Try to own up Atma Swarupam. Say to yourself, I am not this body. Whether it is there or not doesn't matter. Anda jnanam varanam. Aushadham will never remove your ajnanam. Samsara karana, this badha, this pain can never remove by any mantra or Veda or any Shastra or any Aushadham. It can never be removed. That's why Vyadhi, when a person gets a Vyadhi, so he has to go to doctor and take medicine. Shariraka Vyadhi comes, he has to take medicine. No, I do extra mantras today, Japan. Extra japa panna innu konja temperature jaasti aidum. So intelligent method enna pannano and the time can pannano. Illaya? Like that Shankaracharya says. The next sloka we have to read. Sloka number 62. Nagacchati vinapanam vyadhiraushadha shabdataha vyadhiraushadha vina parokshanubhavam brahma shabdaina muchyate. Another beautiful sloka. Very simple. Sri Shankaracharya writes very simple way. If I have headache, I have to take the tablet. Instead of taking tablet, suppose, for example, crocin. Instead of taking tablet inside and sitting like this without taking, if I say crocin, 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 can I remove my headache? It cannot remove. So the Vyadhi will go away by consuming the medicine, not by uttering the tablet's name. Go on telling the tablet's name, medicine name. Will it remove your disease? Never. Similarly, just as the Vyadhi, the disease is not removed by utterance of the medicine's name, similarly, Shankaracharya says, Nagacchati vina panam. Panam means taking, consuming. Vina, without taking the medicine, Vyadhihi nagacchati. Vyadhi means the disease, nagacchati, will not go. Aushadha shabdataha, just aushadham per. Shabdataha, வாயில இருந்து அந்த பேர் சொன்னாலே போகுமா? போகாது. ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. எதுக்கு மெடிசன் கட்ஸு அப்படியே அல்மாரால வச்சுட்டு பார்த்துட்டு பேர் சொல்லிட்டே இருங்க, போகாது. பட் ஐ ஹாவ் டு கன்சியூம். சிமிலர்லி வினா அபரோக்ஷானுபவம் பிரம்மசப்தைஹி ந முச்யதே. வித்தவுட் டைரக்ட் நாலேஜ், அபரோக்ஷ ஞானம் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? I am Brahman another direct knowledge varanam. It is a fact for me. I am Atma Swarupam, all pervading Atma Swarupam. The consciousness pervading in this whole body. This body is matter, this mind is matter. Because of that Chaitanyam, me alone, this body is able to function. This body is alive. This is Brahma Jnana. Vina Brahma Jnanam, without this Brahma Jnanam, Aparoksha Jnanam ide. Direct knowledge. Yaru vandu sollano, this is matter, this is a fact. Aparoksha Jnanam, direct knowledge. I have not get this knowledge indirectly. Shastra has given me direct knowledge. Without this knowledge, suppose I say, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Shabdam. சும்மா சப்தம் சொல்லிட்டே இருந்தேன்னு என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? குரு said தத்துவமசி தத்துவமசி தத்துவமசின்னு. நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்? அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி. That is why many people, there are people, soham brahma, soham brahma, soham brahma, they are go on telling. Saha aham brahma, that Brahman I am. Soham brahma, soham brahma, shokam brahma, shokam brahma. I know. So how can you understand that Saha Brahman aham asmi iti? How can you know? By just shabda can you know? There are teachers giving this mantra to the students. Onnum theriyadu. They have never studied Shastra. Soham, 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 soham சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பான். ஒரு நாளுக்காவது நான் பிரம்மன் ஆயிடுவேன். That's why Shankaracharya telling, there are people telling continuously soham, soham, soham. If you go on telling, repeating, one day you get that Brahma Jnanam. There are people. Shankaracharya know that. These people are doing that type of practice. Brahma Shabdaihi na muchyate. Brahman is all pervading, Brahman is Nirgunam, Nirakaram, Niranjanam, Niravayavam. அழகா இருக்க கேட்கறதுக்கு. அசப்தம் அஸ்பர்ஷம் அரூபம். என்னமா பிரம்மன்? வட்டு பிரம்மன். ஆஹா, இந்த சப்தம் will never remove your அஜ்ஞானா. அபரோக்ஷ ஞானம். தட் பிரம்மன் ஐ ஆம் என்னது அந்த டைரக்ட் நான். ஐ ஹாவ் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், ஓன் அப். ஐ ஹாவ் டு ஓன் அப். ஜஸ்ட் பை சப்தா whole Mundakopanishad from the beginning to till end, slokas, mantras ella by heart. Bhagavad Gita 750 slokas by heart. Ella Upanishad by heart na. Onnu baki illa. That's why Chinmayananda says, I have gone through all Upanishads and sonna. Chinmayananda asked, it seems, how many Upanishads have gone through you? I have gone through all Upanishad means நான் நிறைய படிச்சிருக்கேன், எல்லா உபனிஷத்து தெரியும், எனக்கு என்னென்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்னு தெரியும் அதில். பட் அதில் இருக்கிற தாத்பரியம், அந்த மீனிங், எத்தனை உபனிஷத்து உனக்கு உள்ளே போயிருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம். அதுதான் டவுட்ஃபுல்லுன்னு. அஜ்ஞானம் அப்படியே இருக்கேன். எனக்கு தெரியும் சுவாமினி ஐ ஆம் பிரம்மன், பட் மை வைஃபுக்கு தான் புரியல. அது மாதிரி ஒன் ஹஸ்பண்ட் இஸ் சிங்கிங், அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே. I have no fear, I have no fear, and he is singing. Then Bharya, wife came. யாருக்கு? அப்புறம் husband says, பாரதி யாருக்கு? He tells it is fearlessness is only for Bharatiyar, not for this person. என்ன அர்த்தம்? அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை, எனக்கு பயமில்லை பயமில்லைன்னு பாடுறாரே தவிர he is always having fear about his wife only. அது மாதிரி we always go on telling, ஆஹா நமக்கு இந்த சுவாமினி மாதிரி டீச்சர் we have got, என்ன புண்ணியம் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். We are so fortunate and we have already completed 15 chapters. We are entering 16th chapter and we are doing already 6 Upanishads, 5 completed. Now we are so fortunate. I am Brahman, I am Brahman. Go on telling and praising the Guru also once in a while. I am Sishya of so and so Swamini, good. What transformation you have got in your mind, that is only countable here. How much I have studied, from whom I am studying are all secondary. The primary is how much transformation I have got in my notions, in my concepts. Am I free from wrong notions? Am I free from this Deha Vasana? Am I free from this Loka Vasana? Am I free from this Shastra Vasana? Question yourself. Therefore, Vina Aparoksha Jnana Anubhavam Brahma Shabdaihi na muchyate. By just saying Brahman, I am Brahman, I am Brahman will never give mukti. It will not free you. You cannot get liberation. The liberation is possible only by direct experience. Next sloka we will read. So therefore, every description of the Upanishad is the description of my real nature. அப்படி இருக்கணும். ஸோ உபனிஷத்து ஏதோ சொல்றது பார்ப்போம் நினைக்க கூடாது. Upanishadlo every description is my description, my Atma Swarupa description only Upanishad is talking. So therefore whenever Upanishad says you are Amritaha, you are Nityaha, you are Shuddhaha, you are Muktaha, and whenever Upanishad says, Upanishad is addressing me, the Atma. அப்படி இருக்கணும். பாவம் ஏதோ உபனிஷத்து சொல்றது. குரு ஆல்சோ டெல்லிங், எனக்கு எத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கு நம்ம நினைச்சிட்டே இருந்தால் என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? பிரயோஜனம் கிடையாது. ஸோ therefore those facts are true to myself. அதான். And second thing, those facts sink into my personality. Those facts must sink into my personality. Then only it is useful. They are facts and they are all talking about me only. Me means what me? OC or RC? OC. RC enna avada. OC enna நம்ம சொல்ற OC கிடையாது. Original consciousness, not reflected consciousness. That descriptions are not about the body. Those descriptions are not about the mind. All those descriptions are about me, the consciousness, awareness, Satchit Swarupam, Atma Swarupam. They must sink into my personality. Next sloka we will read. Akritva drishya vilayam Ajñātvā tattvamatmanah Brahma shabdaih kuto muktihi Mukti matra phalaindranam. Drishya vilayam akritva means, drishyam means the world, external world as well as internal world. Drishyam means whatever I see is called drishyam. I am seeing the world, all objects, all beings I am seeing. Drishyam. Not only that, internal, even I am seeing my body, it comes under drishyam, an object. I am seeing my mind also, internal world. I am seeing my sad mind, happy mind, guilty mind, loving mind, compassionate mind, hatred mind, ellame I am seeing. That is internal world. So drishya. Vilayam means, layam means dissolution. Vilayam means viseshena layam, totally making this drishya prapancham and antarika prapancham and bahya prapancham I have to make falsified. Dissolution means what? Falsified. Vilayam. Akritva, without making. Kritva means by making. Akritva means not making this external world and internal world false, or without doing the resolution of this external world and the internal world as anatma. Adi pannamale akritva, without doing that. That means jagat mithyatva nischyaha nartham. Making the whole anatma, the whole world is anatma, mithya. Mithyatva nischyaha akritva. Without doing that, not only that, atmanaha tattvam ajñātva. Not knowing the atmanaha tattvam, one's own real nature. That is Brahman Satyam Nischayam. So Jaganmithyatva Nischayah, Brahma Satyatva Nischayah. Jaganmithya, Brahma Satyam, Jaganmithya. Is that in the first line? Shankaracharya putting in that way. Brahma Satyam means Atmanaha Tattvam Ajnatva. Brahma Satyam iti Ajnatva. Not knowing Brahman is alone is substratum, the truth and Teriyamale. Ajnatva, not knowing. Gnatva means knowing. Ajnatva means not knowing. Atmanaha Tattva means what? Sarvam Brahmamayam iti Ajnatva. Everything is Brahman alone in this creation, not knowing this and not making this Jagat and this body, mind as Anatma without doing this. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya idi Pannamale. Brahma Shabdaihi Kutaha Muktihi. Brahma Shabda Mulama, just telling that Brahman name, Brahman, 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 Brahmame vandudu. Yeah, Brahma will come. Without making this Jagat as Mithya, Anatma, and Brahman is Satyam, only Satya Vastu, without making this first, by just saying Brahman, 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 Kutaha Muktihi, Yenge irundha moksha varaporadhu unakku. இந்த வாட்ஸ்வாமினி ஜகம் எல்லாம் தெரியறதே ரொம்ப ரியலா தெரியறது. அது கொஞ்ச நாள் படி சாஸ்திரம் அர்த்தம். Shastra tells this whole Jagat is unreal. That means there is something wrong in my understanding. I am seeing the world as real, tangible in front of me. There is some Himalayan, wrong notion, Himalayan blunder I am doing. But what am I seeing tangibly? It is real in front of me. In the book of Shastra, Sunday class, Jagat is unreal. Therefore, whether I have to give up this Shastra, I have to stand on my own conviction. Whatever I am seeing is real. Either, if I have Shraddha on Shastra, if I have respect on Shastra, I have to question my understanding. There is something wrong in my understanding. This tangible world, even though it is appearing in front of me, I am thinking it is real, but Shastra tells it is mithya. Therefore, the correction is required in my notion. Correction is required. Notional correction is required. Brahma Shabdaihi Kutaha Muktihi Ukti Matra Phalaihi Nranam. Ukti Matram means Sabda. Ukti means logic. Just by logic. Ukti means logic, rational thinking. Without Shastra help, I go on asking. The scientists are all like that. Only Ukti, they use logic. Just by logic you can never get Brahma Jnana. Ukti Matrai means Shastra Rahita Ukti anartham. Without Shastra support, if I take only Ukti, logic, that will not help. Ukti Matraihi means the logic which is not backed by the Shastra. Ada Matraihi anartham. The logic which is not backed by or not supported by the Shastra, such Ukti, that logic, will not give phalam. For whom? Nranam. For human beings. Ada Ukti Matra Phalaihi Nranam. And the Ukti Matra, the logic, whatever you get the benefit, that phalam will not give moksha. Next shloka. So what I have to understand, the whole world is Vacharambhanam Vikaro Namadheyaha. The whole world is only on my tongue. Nama Rupa. That is the only world. There is no world other than Nama Rupa. That is Chandogya Upanishad says. This Ghatam, whenever they see part, there is no real part, only Nama Rupa. This desk in front of you, Shastra tells it is mithya ani chalrade. It is mithya, unreal. Swamini, it is real only, no? 4 legs are there, you are using also. No, it is real in front of you. How can you say unreal? We say it is nama rupa. Desk is nama rupa only, but substantially it is wood only. There is no desk at all. What is its substance? Wood. What am I touching? Wood alone I am touching. So therefore, what is there really? Wood alone. For that wood alone, a different shape, for a different purpose, different name we have given, Nama Rupa. So what is Satyam Idila? Wood alone. So Nama Rupa is unreal. Vikaram. Wood node vikaram dane desk. Vikaram means modification. The modification of the wood alone is desk. And the modification in the Nama Rupa we have given. So Nama Rupa Vikara is unreal. And the Nama Rupa Vikara is, on what it is depending, is real. The Nama, desk Nama, name, and desk Rupa, the form, depending on what? Tell me? Wood. So there is no desk other than wood. So for a desk irukkanum enna irukkanum? Wood irukkanum. So the desk is depending on the wood. Desk is depending on the wood. Similarly, the whole Jagat is Nama Rupa. This body, mind, everything Nama Rupa depending on Brahman. So therefore what I have to say? Brahma Satyam. Jagat Nama Rupa. Is it included? What about this? Jagat Nama Rupa. What about you? Nama Rupa. Rupam theriyarade. Namam theriyarade. Namam inda namam kadayadu. Per. Nama is there, Rupa is there temporary. Depending on what? Tell me now. Brahman. So just as this desk Nama Rupa depending on the wood, this body, form and name and the whole Jagat Nama Rupa depending on Brahman. Appadi sollanum. Adida Jnanam. Next shloka. Akritva Shatru Samharam Agatva Khila Bhushriyam Rajahamiti Shabdat Rajahamiti Shabdat No Raja Bhavitumarhati. So, any Shabda, Shastra Shabda is a sadhanam. It means Shabda Artha is the sadhyam. Artha, the meaning is important. Suppose if you do not understand the subject, it is only Shabda for you. Ennamo Swamiji gada 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 pesite irukam. Suppose if you know the Artha, if you understand, there is involvement and you can understand the Artha and you get the benefit. You can get the benefit. The Chinese language, French language, suppose person is speaking. Edavadhu puriyuma? Ore soda shabdam da. Nama kaadake or shabdam da. But if I know the meaning, it is meaningful. So Artha is sadhyam, Shabda is sadhanam. Shastra Shabda is a sadhanam, means that Shabda must be useful, meaningful when I know the Artha. Now Viveka Chudamani I will study at home. That is only Shabda. If you study Viveka Chudamani at home, only Shabda. But if you come and listen in the class 1 hour, you are getting Artha. Before coming to Bhagavad Gita class, how many times you might have read Bhagavad Gita? I hope so. படிச்சுட்டு பட் அந்த மீனிங் தெரியலையே. ஸோ இந்த ஈவன் பேரட் ஆல்சோ கேன் டாக், பேரட் நல்லா பேசுவான் பேரட். ஸோ இஃப் ஐ டு நாட் நோ த அர்த்தா, லைக் எ பேரட் மாதிரி தான். தர்ம க்ஷேத்ரே குருக்ஷேத்ரே சமவேதாயுத்சவா என்ன அர்த்தம் அதுதான் தெரியாது. So therefore Shabda is a sadhanam, Artha is meaning is the sadhyam goal. In this sloka Shankaracharya tells, he is comparing a raja. One person, I am a raja, I am a king. When you can claim yourself as a king, emperor, when can you claim you are a emperor, sarvabhauma, king? He tells, Shatru samharam akritva, without killing the enemies. Shatru means enemy, samharam means killing, akritva not killing. Without, akritva means without, not doing the Shatru samharam, without doing the destruction of the enemies, number one. And agatva akhilam bhushriyam, without occupying this territory, the land. A raja means emperor must have a place, a land, kingdom. King of which place? And we'll ask. That's why kingdom he must have. Agatva, without going to that land and without occupying. Agatva means without occupying that land, without accomplishing that land, territory is mine. That is why olden days once you want to announce you are emperor, samrat, you have to send Rajasuya Yagam, they perform. And the Rajasuya Yagam, a horse, they will send the horse, how much distance it goes, it will go. If anybody obstruct that horse, they have to fight with this Raja, the one who has sent this horse. If they are not obstructing, if they are not fighting with Raja, means they are accepting you are our emperor. We are all only subordinates. We will pay the tax to you. That means accepting an artha. So they are accepting the power of this king. That's why they allow this horse from their territory. So then that horse will go to another territory. If they also allow that, it will go in another territory. It will go on going like that. That means what? This Raja who has sent this horse for Rajasuya Yagam, that means the whole land, up to what distance this horse has gone, belong to this Raja. That is called Bhushriyam. Bhu means earth. Shriyam means that is a prosperity, that is wealth. For Raja ki enna wealth enna? Land is the wealth. Raja enna irkanum? Land irkanum. He must have killed the enemies. Yaru enemies irukkodadu. So therefore, akritva shatru samharam agatva akhilam bhushriyam, without acquiring the land, without killing the enemies, Raja aham iti shabdat, by the shabda, saying, I am the king, I am the king, I am Raja. Go on telling. Like if nowadays people are there, Rajas, without kingdom. They are all Rajas now, without kingdom. So, naam ke vaste Rajas, they are not that Sarvabhauma emperor. So, I cannot become a king by just saying, I am a Raja. How many enemies you have killed? Question. How much land is under your control? How much territory you have got? Another criteria. To be a Raja, you have to kill enemies and you have to occupy, you must have a territory. இந்த ரெண்டு இல்லாமலே சும்மா சப்தம் சொல்லி I am Raja, I am Raja, I am the king என்ன king ஆக முடியுமா? I can also claim. Everybody can claim. That's why to our children we put Raja and பேர். ராஜா. நம்ம வீட்டில் கூட குழந்தைக்கு ராஜான்னு கூப்பிடுவோம். எவ்வளோ கிங்டம் இருக்கு அவனுக்கு? He is not a Raja. That's why he cannot claim I am a Raja, emperor னு claim பண்ண முடியாது. அதே மாதிரி ராஜா பவித்தும் ந அர்ஹதி. He cannot claim that I am Raja. Arhati means he is not qualified. Bhavitum, to become a king, he is not qualified. Without killing the enemies, without having territory, by just I am Raja and Chonna, he cannot claim that he is a king. Next sloka. I will take 5 more minutes extra because that gap I have to complete. Next sloka we will read. Aptokti khananam tadhopirakhilam the tune konjam change. Pirakhila Ukkarshanam konjam tune change pandren wait. Aptoktim khananam adu vara maatingudhu. Can you pause it? Keep the pause. Now Shankaracharya is going to tell in this sloka, next 65, sloka number 65, he is giving another example. If I give the essence, you can enjoy more later. What Shankaracharya tells, suppose a person comes and tells, you have got lot of wealth underneath. Where you are standing, you have got lot of nidhi, wealth. A person tells. And this person wants to get that wealth. He is interested. That wealth which already kept by his ancestors. Kept by his ancestors in the earth. So if he is interested in that wealth, what he has to do? He has to dig that land and he has to remove all the stones and he has to own up that wealth. He has to own up that wealth. Without digging the land, without removing the stones, just standing there, he cannot claim, I have lot of treasure, I have lot of money. By Shabda, just words, he cannot become a rich person. He cannot own up that money without putting effort. Similarly, when Guru comes and tells, you are Brahman, Apta Ukti, a well-wisher comes and tells, you are Brahman, just like that, what I have to do? I am Brahman and chonna prayojanamilla. This ajnana I have to remove. The treasure which is Brahman inside, I have to own up. For that, what I have to do? I have to first listen from a Guru, Mahavakya. Then what I have to do? I have to dig. What am I going to dig? Do Shravanam. Aptokti means is a Shravanam, listening to a Guru. And you have to do Mananam. You have to remove this Ajnana Karyam. What are all problems you are having that we have to remove? All Ajnana Karyam. I am a wife, it is Ajnana Karyam. Karyam means product of, born out of ignorance. What Swamini, I am a housewife, correct dane. You are a housewife playing the role. Housewife is a role, but you are not originally housewife. So this is the product of Ajnana. What? I am a housewife. I have taken that role as real. That is Ajnana. So to remove that Ajnana, what I have to do? Shravanam. I have to listen. While listening also, if I am not able to understand, means there are something raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, there are some arishad vargas are obstructing me. They are not allowing me. Or if I am having all sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, no good qualities I am having, but I have still fear, insecurity, unhappiness, engyo habitual notions, problems. Evada class lo Viveka Chudamani class lo I am sitting, but my mind is full of my household problems. இந்த மந்த் பிகினிங்கு, இந்த ஹோல் மந்த் எப்படிதான் என்னென்ன மேனேஜ் பண்ணணும், என்னென்ன பண்ணணும், இதெல்லாம் யோசனை இங்கே விவேக சூடாமணி கிளாஸில் வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். Because I do not know. That is why we are, fortunately or unfortunately, your mind is here or not, I do not know. So there are many obstacles in the mind, they obstruct us. So I have to remove that stones. Just as this person, to own up that wealth, he has to remove the stones. All these stones are covering that nidhi, treasure. Similarly, all our wrong notions, wrong habits, wrong concept, wrong attitudes are covering my Brahman nature. So I have to remove all of them. So therefore, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, I have to do. I have to do Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. These are all removing anamata. Dosha Apanayanam. All are covering. The stones, mud, all are covering the treasure. நமக்கு அந்த ட்ரெஷர் பண்ண சொன்ன உடனே யாராவது நமக்கு அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்க நல்லா இருக்குமேன்னு தோணும். இந்த பிரம்மன் கோட்டை விட்டுட்டா, we have forgotten the Brahman. That's why people are very much eagerly waiting. Ancestors property, ancestors property, அதிலே இருக்கும் மனசு. There are people very crazy for their ancestors property. இது எதுக்கு சொல்றாருன்னா, சங்கராச்சாரிய உதாரணம், இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள், just like that nidhi is hidden underneath, nidhi, atma nidhi, the treasure is your real nature. Just as if you get that nidhi, how you can enjoy your life, you can buy anything whatever you want, you can make your life happy. அதே மாதிரி this atma nidhi, if you get, this is Shashvat Anandam it gives, absolute Ananda it gives. Once you get Nidhi, all government people will come. This land belongs to us only, this property must belong to government only, they will fight. In Andhra, this is a big job is going on. All these, hawks and, quacks, some quacks, swamis, what they are telling, inga nidhi irukka, anga nidhi irukka and solli, they are cheating the people. Here there is a treasure, here there is a treasure, and they are cheating the people. That means you can understand how many people are craving for that treasure. Enna kashtapadamane varume, they are also working for that. That's why that wealth avvala eppadi aasha irukom, இந்த வெல்த்துக்காக நீ ஆசைப்படணும். அந்த வெல்த் வேண்டாம் நமக்கு, இது நமக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. This Atma Ananda is with you, you are that. Therefore, how to dig, எப்படி பண்ணணும், அது next class we will start digging. Okay, more in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.